All right, this video is to hopefully save you the hassle of having to take apart a cigar box guitar after you've done it, completed it, because one of the pickups didn't work or you didn't get the wiring exactly right. All right, so this is what I did, because that has happened to me several times. I would get completed with a cigar box guitar to string it up, tune it up, and then as soon as I went to plug it in, start playing it, I realized, oh my gosh, man, there's something wrong here. There's like, pickup doesn't work, or it's faulty switch or something, right? So what I did is I learned from my mistakes. So what I did is I got one of these input jacks, and I got some speaker wire and some alligator clips, right? And what I did, and I also got a guitar cable, and I wired up this input jack, and then I sent the wires to these alligator clips. So this is just a guitar cable, right, plugged into the input jack, and then of course I wire tied it there so I could actually pull on this thing here and it won't, come undone, right? So then you just plug this into an amplifier, turn it on, just make sure the volume's down because it can be noisy. And then what I do would just get my pickup that I'm going to test. Of course, the ground is lifted, so attach one side, and then the other side. Yep. Then you can hear it. All right, so I know that pickup is good. I know my solder joint is good on there. This will even work on humbuckers. So I tied these two tied the white and the red together, and then the green and the black. You could put any combination that you want on here, and then I just tap the pull pieces, and I can tell that pickup works. So now I'm confident that when I'm done, that I know the pickups work. If there's a problem, I know that it's something else and not the pickups. I also like to plug the guitar in before I start stringing it up, just to make sure at that point that yes, the pickups work, and then all my solder joints and the switches work and the plugs work and everything works. The time to figure that stuff is before you put the strings on and before you button it all up, because you don't want to be taking it apart and then you get frustrated. So hopefully this will save you the hassle of that. If you have all these little cheap components, you can make a little pickup tester for yourself.